Cabinet Minister A.L. Heck has said that the fish dale lying opposite to St. Edmund'S will be developed into an aqua park. Briefing media persons, Heck said that the fish dale will be made into some kind of aquarium for tourists and visitors alike. He said that in total, 3 such aqua parks will be set up in the state.
I discussed with the new secretary about a few schemes which is very priority to be taken it up. One is the fish deal here in Shillong to make integrated with tourism for aquarium, aqua park. Then 2 is in Boilambong. 3 is in Umsing area. One fish deal, there is the area called fish deal area here just opposite to St. Edmund'S, where we are going to make aqua park, the aquariums kind of things in this fish deal.
In a show of unity with Manipur,